Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It has already begun transforming our world faster than anyone imagined. Every second, powerful AI systems learn from billions of pieces of information, becoming smarter than ever before. Without realizing it, millions of families now depend on artificial intelligence every single day. Unlike humans, intelligent machines never sleep, never complain, and never stop working. Experts believe tomorrow's cities could manage traffic, energy, and emergency services entirely through AI. Future hospitals may diagnose diseases within seconds, giving patients faster and more accurate treatment. The more data artificial intelligence receives, the faster it evolves beyond today's imagination. Transportation, healthcare, banking, communication, and even national security may soon depend on intelligent machines. As AI grows more powerful, one question becomes impossible to ignore: who will control the intelligence controlling us? Artificial intelligence could become humanity's greatest achievement or its greatest mistake. The future depends on the choices we make today. What happens when machines become better than humans at almost every profession? The answer may change civilization forever. Imagine walking into your office and discovering that every employee has been replaced by intelligent machines. AI is no longer limited to calculations. It can now write stories, compose music, create films, and build software. Future classrooms may be guided by AI teachers that personalize every lesson for every student. Construction projects that once required years could be completed in just a few months with intelligent automation. One day, commercial airplanes may safely cross the skies without a single human pilot on board. Artificial intelligence could discover life-saving medicines and revolutionary technologies faster than any human scientist. Future law enforcement may rely on intelligent machines capable of detecting danger before it happens. As machines become more capable, millions of traditional jobs could disappear forever. Some experts believe artificial intelligence could one day manage the world's financial systems more efficiently than humans. If machines become better than us at almost everything, what role will humanity have left in the future? If artificial intelligence can replace workers, could it also replace world leaders? The next chapter explores a future where governments are powered by AI. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence helps governments analyze complex problems in seconds instead of months. An advanced AI could examine vast amounts of information and offer leaders options based on patterns humans might miss. If connected responsibly, AI could help cities reduce traffic, save energy, and improve emergency response. During natural disasters, AI might detect warning signs earlier, giving communities more time to prepare and respond. Powerful AI security systems could help protect hospitals, power grids, and communication networks from cyber threats. One day, governments around the world could cooperate through AI systems that share information in real time. Even if AI provides powerful advice, an important question remains: should machines ever make the final decision? Technology that improves public safety could also raise difficult questions about privacy and personal freedom. Artificial intelligence could help create a safer world or expose new challenges. The outcome depends on how humanity chooses to use it. If artificial intelligence can help manage cities and governments, what happens when it becomes part of national defense? The next frontier isn't the office or the classroom. It's the battlefield, where intelligent machines could transform the future of defense forever. Future defense systems may rely on artificial intelligence to process information faster than any human team. Autonomous drones could monitor vast areas around the clock, responding within seconds when needed. Advanced robotics could reduce risk to human responders during dangerous rescue operations. Future aircraft may navigate complex missions with AI assistance while human operators supervise from the ground. Artificial intelligence could coordinate entire fleets with remarkable speed and precision. Future satellite networks may use AI to monitor communications and support global security. Many experts believe the most effective future will combine human judgment with artificial intelligence. Even advanced AI systems can face unexpected challenges, making human oversight essential. If developed responsibly, AI could coordinate complex systems across the planet in ways never before possible. If AI can transform Earth, could it also help humanity build civilizations beyond our home planet? Beyond Earth lies humanity's greatest challenge. The next chapter explores how artificial intelligence could shape the future of space exploration and life on other worlds. As Earth becomes more connected by artificial intelligence, humanity begins looking toward the stars. Future space missions could rely on AI to navigate dangerous journeys with incredible precision. Before humans arrive, intelligent robots may prepare entire cities on distant planets. Artificial intelligence could analyze billions of stars and identify new worlds faster than ever before. AI-powered mining systems may unlock valuable resources hidden within asteroids across our solar system. Future space stations may depend on AI doctors capable of diagnosing and treating astronauts instantly. One day, artificial intelligence could help operate entire cities floating high above Earth. As AI explores deeper into space, it may uncover discoveries that completely change our understanding of the universe. Artificial intelligence may become the invisible network connecting future civilizations across the solar system. If artificial intelligence helps humanity reach the stars, could it eventually reshape life itself? Imagine a future where disease is rare, cities never sleep, and every system works perfectly. But can perfection come without a price? Imagine waking up in a world where every city runs smoothly, powered by intelligent systems working together. Advanced AI could coordinate millions of vehicles, making traffic jams and long commutes a thing of the past. AI-assisted healthcare could help doctors detect illnesses earlier and deliver faster, more personalized treatments. Intelligent energy systems could balance renewable power efficiently, reducing waste and supporting cleaner cities. Artificial intelligence may help restore forests, protect wildlife, and monitor ecosystems with remarkable accuracy. Future education could become more personal, with AI adapting lessons to every student's pace and strengths. Daily routines could become simpler as AI quietly handles countless tasks behind the scenes. A perfectly efficient world may also raise important questions about privacy, freedom, and human independence. Artificial intelligence offers extraordinary possibilities, but the future depends on the choices people make today. The question is no longer whether AI will shape the future, but whether humanity will shape AI. Every powerful invention has brought both hope and risk. In the next chapter, we'll explore the challenges that humanity may face in an AI-driven future. Every great invention has improved lives, but history also reminds us that powerful technology can bring unexpected challenges. AI could make public spaces safer, but it also raises important questions about privacy and personal freedom. As automation grows, many professions may change dramatically, requiring people to learn entirely new skills. Future AI tools may create incredibly realistic media, making it more important than ever to verify information. As AI becomes more powerful, cybersecurity will play an even greater role in protecting our connected world. The greatest challenge may not be building intelligent machines, but deciding how they should be used. Technology itself is neither good nor bad. The future depends on the choices people make together. Many experts believe the strongest future will come from cooperation between human creativity and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence may become one of humanity's greatest achievements. The question is how we choose to guide it. The future isn't written by machines alone. It will be shaped by every decision humanity makes from this moment forward. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of artificial intelligence, subscribe for more cinematic documentaries exploring the technologies that could shape tomorrow. The story of artificial intelligence is not finished. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. The greatest future may not be humans versus AI, but humans working together with intelligent machines. Used wisely, artificial intelligence could help humanity tackle some of its greatest environmental and humanitarian challenges. Tomorrow's breakthroughs in medicine may come from the partnership between compassionate doctors and intelligent technology. Artificial intelligence may help humanity explore places that once existed only in our imagination. The world we build today will belong to the generations that follow us. The true measure of progress is not how powerful our technology becomes, but how wisely we choose to use it. No matter where we live, the future of artificial intelligence is a story shared by all of humanity. Artificial intelligence will continue to evolve. The question is not whether it will change the world, but how we will guide that change. The future is not written by artificial intelligence alone. It is written by every choice humanity makes. The next chapter begins with us. If this documentary inspired you to think differently about the future of AI, subscribe and join us as we explore the technologies shaping tomorrow. Until next time, the future is yours to imagine.